Hi guys, I'm Raul from Simply Learn, and today I'm going to tell you how you can become an AI engineer. So first off, let's ask the important question. What is artificial intelligence? Now, artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer system to mimic human behavior. Now, this is the sort of intelligence that's demonstrated by machines, and this is in contrast to natural intelligence that's shown by humans as well as animals. So how does artificial intelligence work? Firstly, it learns from past data. Now, whatever machines that are artificially intelligent learn from their actions which are positive or negative. Now, with this new information, the machine is able to make corrections to itself so that these problems don't resurface and make some adjustments to handle new inputs. And finally, the machine is able to perform human-like tasks. So who is an artificial intelligence engineer? An AI engineer builds AI models using machine learning algorithms and deep learning neural networks to draw business insights. Now, these insights can be used to make business decisions that affect the entire organization. Not to mention, they also create weak or strong AIs depending on what goal they want to achieve. Now, AI engineers have a sound understanding of programming, software engineering, as well as data science. They use different tools and techniques so that they can process data, and they develop as well as maintain AI systems. Now, let's talk about the responsibilities of an AI engineer. Firstly, they need to develop, test, and deploy AI models. This can be done through a number of different programming algorithms like random forest, logistic regression, linear regression, and so on. They need to be able to convert the machine learning models into APIs or application program interfaces so that other applications can use it. They're responsible for building AI models from scratch and help the different components of the organization, such as product managers and stakeholders, understand what they stand to gain from the model. They need to build data ingestion and data transformation infrastructure. They need to automate infrastructure that's used by the data science team. They need to be able to perform statistical analysis and tune the results so that the organization can take better informed decisions. They need to set up as well as manage AI development and product infrastructure, and they need to be good at teamwork since they'll be coordinating work with teams of data as well as business analysts. Next up, let's talk about the skills required to become an AI engineer. First off, programming skill. Now, the first skill required to become an AI engineer is programming skills. Now, for you to become well versed in AI, it is very important that you start learning programming languages such as Python, R, Java, and C++ so that you're able to build as well as implement. So that you'll be able to build as well as implement models. The second skill required is linear algebra, probability, and statistics. Now, to understand as well as implement different AI models such as hidden Markov models, naive-Bayes, Gaussian mixture models, linear discriminant analysis, and so on, you need to have detailed knowledge of linear algebra, probability, and statistics. The third skill required is knowledge about Spark and big data technologies. Now, since AI engineers work with large volumes of data, which could be streaming or real-time production level data in terabytes or even petabytes, they need to know about Spark and other big data technologies to make sense of this. Along with Apache Spark, you could also use other big data technologies like Hadoop, Cassandra, and MongoDB. The next skill that you require is to be well versed with algorithms and frameworks. Now, understanding how machine learning algorithms like linear regression, KNN, naive-Bayes, SVM, and others work will help you implement machine learning models with ease. Also, to build AI models with unstructured data, you need to understand deep learning algorithms like CNN, which is the convolutional neural network, RNN, which is the recurrent neural network, and GAN, which is the generative adversarial network, and so that you can implement it using a framework. Some of the frameworks used in artificial intelligence are PyTorch, Theano, TensorFlow, and Caffe. The final skill required to become an AI engineer is communication and problem-solving skills. Now, you need to be very good at communication so that you're able to pitch your product and idea to the stakeholders. You should also have excellent problem-solving skills to resolve obstacles for decision making and draw helpful business insights. Now, let's talk about an AI engineer's salary. The average salary of an AI engineer is $111,000 per annum in the United States and rupees 13 lakhs per annum in India. Now, let's talk about the career and roles in artificial intelligence. Since several industries around the world use AI to some degree or the other, there has been an exponential growth in the career opportunities within the field of AI. Let's have a look at some of these job roles. First off, we have AI developer. Now, these individuals work closely with electrical engineers and develop software to create artificially intelligent robots. Next up, we have AI architect. Now, these people work closely with clients so that they can provide business as well as system integration services while at the same time creating and maintaining the entire architecture. architecture. The next role we are going to talk about is machine learning engineer. Now, these individuals build predictive models using vast volumes of data, have in-depth knowledge of machine learning algorithms, deep learning algorithms, and deep learning frameworks. Next up, we have data scientists. Now, data scientists collect, clean, analyze, and interpret large and complex data sets by leveraging both machine learning and predictive analytics. And finally, we have BI developer or business intelligence developer. They're responsible for designing, modeling, and analyzing complex data to identify business as well as market trends. So how can Simplilearn help you? Simplilearn has now tied up with IBM and is offering the AI Engineers Master's Program. This program consists of a number of different courses such as Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, Data Science with Python, Machine Learning, Deep Learning Fundamentals by IBM, Deep Learning with TensorFlow, and the AI Capstone project. After completing this course, you'll get a certificate from both IBM as well as Simplilearn, which is recognized across the world. IBM is the second largest predictive analysis and machine learning solutions provider globally. A joint partnership with Simplilearn and IBM introduces you to integrated blended learning and making you an expert in artificial intelligence and data science. The program code developed with IBM will make you industry ready for artificial intelligence as well as data science job roles. As benefit, you get Simplilearn Job Assist, you perform capstone and 15 plus real life projects, and assistance with 20 plus in-demand skills and tools. Tools such as NumPy, SciPy, Apache Spark, Watson, Keras, Python, R, and much more. You also have certain other benefits such as access to exclusive forums which are moderated by expert faculty and industry thought leaders, $1,200 worth of IBM Cloud credits that you can leverage for hands-on exposure, access to IBM Cloud platforms such as IBM Watson, which is IBM's own supercomputer, and other software for 24/7 practice, access to digital badges from IBM, and of course the industry-recognized master certificate from Simplilearn. So if your dream is to become an AI engineer, I suggest you go on to simplilearn.com and get started on your journey to getting certified and getting ahead. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. I hope you guys found this informative and helpful. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.